Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mr. J. So just subscribe my YouTube channel, Mr. Jaybro. So now I'm going to show you how to handle files using Linux terminal. In this video, I'm talking about how to create a file, how to delete a file, how to rename a file, how to create a directory, how to delete a directory, how to move a file like that, blah blah blah. Okay, anyway, so just follow me. I will show you how to do this. Go to start menu and type terminal to open your terminal application, or else you can use Ctrl+Alt+T shortcut instead of this method. However, this is my terminal. Now I need to change its directory into desktop. So how to change the directory? We can use cd command. What is cd? Yeah, this is cd desktop. Now I am in desktop. Now I have changed my directory into desktop. However, now I need to create a folder in this desktop directory. So how to do this? Just use make directory command. What is it? mkdir, and then type your preferred folder name. Okay, so I have created the folder called J in my desktop. So now I'm going to open it. Here is my folder. You can see it. It's an empty folder. So how to create a file in this folder? First, you must go to the folder and then use greater than symbol. It's the way to create a file. So use greater than symbol and type your preferred file name. I will type index.txt. Okay, you can see I have created a file called index.txt in my J folder. So now I'm going to open it. You can see it's an empty file. So how to write things into this file? You can use a text editor. I will use Nano instead of a text editor because I have Nano platform. If you have Nano platform, then use Nano and your file name index.txt. I have opened my index.txt file in my Nano platform. So now I'm going to type what I want. Mr. jaybro 2020 and type Linux file handling tutorial. I have made a mistake in this grammar. If you find it, just leave a comment. So now I need to save this file. Yeah, I have saved this file. Okay, this is my file. I will open it. You can see, yeah, there is text. Yes. So I dislike this index.txt. What kind of name is it? I need to rename it. How to rename it? Just use mv command. Mv mean move. Okay, move my index.txt file into j.txt. First you must type your current name and then you must type your preferred name. You can see I have renamed my file. So now I need to move this file into another directory. I need to move this file into desktop. So how to move a file? You must use mv command also to do this. What is mv? Why mv? Mv is move command. Therefore you must use mv. Okay, just type mv and j.txt and type your directory address. I need to type my current desktop address is // and /. You can see there is no file anymore in J folder. So now I'm going to desktop. So you can see in desktop there is j.txt file. Yeah, j.txt file in desktop. So now I need to move this file again into J folder. So how to do this? Just go to the desktop. Now I'm in desktop. So now I type mv and j.txt into my J folder. Okay, j./j. Okay, now I have moved my file into J folder. Again, you can see when I open J folder, yeah, here is my file. Okay, so now I need to remove this file. How to delete this file? Just go to the folder and use rm command. Rm mean remove. Just type rm and type your file name what you want to delete. Okay, I have deleted my file. So I will go to the desktop using cd command, and here is my desktop. I need to remove this directory too. So how to do this? Don't use rm command. You must use rmdri command, remove directory, and type your folder name. Okay, you can see I have deleted this folder too. So now I would like to give you a homework. Okay, what is it? Go to the desktop and type echo hello within double quotes and just type greater than symbol and type j.txt. Okay, share your experience in comment section. So how about today video? If you like this video, just click like, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you in next video. Bye.